with Mac Haik Victoria. Just want to let you know that I have a cabin chassis that was special ordered, custom built. Some circumstances came up, so we actually got it for sale. And I'm gonna go through some of the features with you on it. So if we can just come around, I'll just kind of show you. XLT, it's got your platform running board. It's actually got a 169 wheelbase, dual wheel tire. You do have a 40-gallon tank here. It is a 3-liter V8 with 10-speed transmission on it. It's ready to go as a work truck. The price actually on it is $54,475 plus tax, title, and license. It does have a lot of your electronic features in there. My direct phone number, you can make contact with me, is 361-652-5706. Look forward to hearing from you and have a blessed day.